Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to register VFS Global account. So guys, go to the website VFS Global. From here guys, create account, write your email address and write here your password, and from here confirm your password guys, and then enter your mobile number, your unique mobile number, such as your country. For example, you are from United States or something like this. Click by creating account, and I consent of the international transfer, and then by clicking here choose one. From here click on here to sign up and log in your account and information, and write here your password, unique password to make a global account, and then click on register option. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.